this this mirror to do my viewer finder in the beginning of the video. It's crazy. Content creating is crazy. I need to pack all these things. Madam just came back from school.
No. What are you doing?
I am doing video. I'm almost done. Why? Need that to know.
No.
Go let Papa off it for you. Yeah, the heat is too much.
Heat is doing you.
Heat is doing me. Let's hope this thing is connecting because she's not finished her water. You not eat your biscuits. You don't like this biscuit, me. I'll start buying you biscuit though, only juice. But each time I buy you biscuit, you will not eat it. I'll show you this one. Go and pee. My goodness. Now wow, did you close this your this thing where? Oh, she finished her food. So she ate her food finish. I'm a proud mother. Hey, my baby finished her food too. Everything is all good. I put pasta here and soup. I like we did pasta. Then we did soup and pasta. So she finished everything. Okay. Let's speaking. That video I've already come up here before this particular one. Anyway, everything is finished. Now to wash all these things now. Yes, today is Wednesday.
Maybe hold up.
Mimi, you know, the color, everything has to be dark.
He's dark.
It has to be dark.
His eyes.
Everywhere has to be. No, don't. Why did you color his eyes? His tongue has to be red. His body has to be dark. This color. Color all this place. See this place. Color it.
His eyes is white.
Alright, but you color the eyes. Don't worry. Color. Just color. Give me this thing. It's not washed, Mona. You can't be eating it, it's not washed. I want to slice this thing. Vegetables. It's too loud now. When you are playing your song, you are playing it so loud. You want my video to have copyright?
Yes.
Can you imagine this child? You want my video to have copyright? You say yes. How many times you are calling him? Who are you calling? They are matching. They are pinching my leg, madam. Happy birthday to you.
What did it? What did it?
That big onions away from the fridge.
Hey.
Thank you.
I'll look at that video.
Oh, sakedika, eh. Oh, sakedika, eh. Oh, sakedika, eh.
Mom, don't put it over my eyes.
Put your eye.
My eyes. Here.
So lots, this is the salad. I'm going to leave it like this. Anytime I want to eat, I'll add my remaining ingredient, which is tomatoes and sweet corn. Yeah, so this is going to be leave it. This is going to be like a 2-day salad for me, today and tomorrow, because by tomorrow it's not as fresh as today. I'm going to be eating this today and tomorrow. So I'll show you guys when I'm done preparing the particular one I want to eat for today. There's still time. So I'll land that kind 6 o'clock. Right now the time is 5:05. So around 6 o'clock I'll eat my dinner, which is just the salad. And sleep. Yeah, check this child. I only gave her and she put it inside the fridge. That fridge is not working though. I've off it. I've off that fridge. She finally put it inside the fridge. This speaking. This kitchen when we buy her, every food I cook must enter inside her pot. Every food. She reminds me of when I was small. So I don't really have okay. I don't really have an issue with that because she reminds me when I was small. I remember when I was small, okay, my mom was cooking. So we stayed in this apartment called Face Me, I Face You. If you are in Lagos, you will know the apartment called Face Me, I Face You. So we stayed in that apartment. So if my mom or my sisters are cooking, that time I should be like 10 years old or 10 years old or 9 years old or 6 years, no, not 6, 7 years old or so if my mom is cooking, you know this child cannot allow me to talk my story finish. You know all this have you opened it? Okay. You know all these all this container they use to cook, they used to do tin tomato. Something like this. Let me show you guys. Something like this. But the small one, that small tin tomato container. That's what I use to cook food. My mom is cooking rice, beans, any ingredient she use, or my sister, any ingredient they use. I'll tell them, give me small now, I want to cook. So when they put the pot on fire, you know this stove, you know how stove is, right? They put the pot on fire where the stove is. I will now carry my own and put it close by where the stove is. It will be cooking their own. The food my family is cooking. My own that I am cooking is cooking. We are cooking together. So anytime she brings her kitchen and I'm cooking, and she brings her kitchen and bring her pot and says she wants, I'll just gladly give her because I know I did that when I was small. So I can understand where she's coming from. If you do this kind of stuff, if you did it when you are young, let me know in the comment section. Let me not be like saying I only me there. Like if my mom is cooking soup, stew, rice, we'll cook our own. So our own go done, half done before the main food go done. So we go first chop that one when we cook. That way pompo, we go used to call it pompo.
So you.
That way pompo we cook. We first of all eat it before we pour this name. Before the main food we eat in the house will be ready. Oh God. If I remember this, I love the laughing. They don't take my life. Guys, just to midweek. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Just to midweek. Alright, see you in the next video.
Bye.
Papa do you, baby? Why you not do you, baby? Papa is bathing you, but you not do you, baby. Hey, wait. You will drink water like this, so chai. This is our bathing. Baby, bath her well, right? You bath, you sponge her well, right? Oh, it's me that sponge herself. Eh? Is it you that sponge her? Is me that sponge herself? She sponge herself. Oh God.
The part.
Oh my goodness.
Only the part. I sponge her.
Okay, only the part.
Only the part.
Oh, okay. For you people. You rub back cream. Today is you that will dress her. Me, I am not feeling fine. So, duty shift to Papa. I don't know why this your shoe, your socks has red on it. Where are they go school? Huh? I don't know why her socks has red. You want to dress her in the parlor? Here now. It's more. So guys, this was the food I made in the morning. Hormone is crazy. So I made, it's like soup. It's potato soup. That's what I made for Madam to go to school because I was craving it earlier in the morning. I wanted to do mash like normal potato. Okay, from normal potato it turned to potato soup. But I love it. I can't wait to dive in. Seriously, like this is sweet potato soup. It's me. Oh, I forgot to put my mic. Like that mic self. This is me. I have been on bed since morning. This is after 1:36. Yes, Madam was talking about school. I've been on bed since morning. Like cramps was cramping, but I'm lucky that hubby helped me in the morning to dress Madam for school. Because after I finished cooking the food, I just showered and went to bed and lie down. lie down, turning from left, right, center, pressing phone, editing video for my hair channel. Oh God, uploaded it, just be lying down, turning, checking out other natural hair gurus, saying, looking for ideas for my hair channel. Ugh. Anyway, it's now I want to eat. I didn't eat breakfast. I don't really eat breakfast. I was just drinking tea. I drank like, I think 3 cups of tea right now. Yeah, I was drinking raspberry tea. So I've drunk like 3 cups of raspberry tea since morning till now. Now I want to eat. Anyway, that's the update, guys. So this is me in my one time of the month down time. Yeah, anyway, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is very nice. Wow, hope a guy will like this one. This is really sweet.
And walk into the same products that I'm having.